OTHM Level 3 Technical Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety. The OTHM Level 3 Technical Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety has been developed to enable learners to gain an understanding of health and safety practices within a working environment. The course provides an insight into how to manage workplace issues and covers the areas you would encounter in a health and safety role. The aims of this program will allow learners to understand the different roles and responsibilities for health and safety in the working environment. Be aware of safety and welfare rules in the working environment. Understand the elements of a health and social policy. Understand the benefits of safety management systems in organizations. Be able to review health and safety procedures across an organization. Be able to communicate effectively when contributing to the maintenance of a healthy and safe work environment. Understand the importance of working with others to maintain a healthy and safe workplace. Understand the principles of risk assessment. Understand about risks and control methods for workplace hazards. Know how to manage the effects of accidents and incidents. Be able to monitor risks and incident management. The qualification is suitable for those wishing to work in health and safety positions in a variety of sectors and will provide the real-world knowledge and skills that organizations and employers demand. OTHM Level 3 qualifications can be offered to learners from age 16. OTHM does not specify entry requirements for this qualification. We will work with centers to ensure that learners admitted to the program have sufficient capability at the right level to undertake the learning and assessment criteria. Some working knowledge of health and safety in the work environment would be advantageous. OTHM centers must ensure learners are recruited with integrity onto appropriate qualifications that will meet their needs, enable and facilitate learning and achievement, enable progression. The qualification is offered in English. If a learner is not from a majority English-speaking country, must provide evidence of English language competency. The OTHM Level 3 Technical Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety consists of 3 mandatory units for a combined total of 30 credits, 300 hours total qualification time and 120 guided learning hours for the completed qualification. OTHM Level 3 Technical Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety consists of following mandatory units, which are: Health and Safety Principles in the Working Environment, Maintaining a Healthy and Safe Working Environment, Principles of Risk and Incident Management in the Working Environment. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 00923315999937 0092321505 6755.